Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working in Rust or if you're barely hearable, for example, by other players. Now the first step is to actually open up your Rust game, and from there go to the options, go inside the controls, and inside the controls we scroll all the way down till we find the key bindings, and here we look for the communication tab to make sure that the voice transmit option is set to a key, because sometimes it isn't set to a key and then your microphone won't work. So make sure that this is set to a key for the example. Now from there we're going to quit Rust, we're going to exit the game, and we're going inside of our Steam application, and from there we hop onto the top left corner where Steam appears, head down to the settings, and inside the settings we scroll all the way down till we find the voice settings, and here make sure that the voice input device is set to the primary device you're using. Now for me it's the blue snowball, so simply select it, start the microphone test, and here you see that it's responding if the blue bar fills up. Now here we have the input volume gain. Now make sure that your microphone is set to the maximum or something in between, but not to the lower part, because otherwise it's too low. Now here you can change the output volume so you can hear your friends differently. For the voice transmission type, make sure that it's always set to open. If you're using a microphone and it's set to push to mute, for example, it sometimes occurs that your voice input device will be disabled, and for there it can't be picked up by other players. Now here you have the voice transmission threshold. If for some reason these options weren't the issue, simply turn this off and go to the advanced settings, and also turn all these levers off, because sometimes the echo, noise or automatic volume cancellation is too heavy and it picks up your own voice and therefore doesn't transmit your voice. Now if these options still didn't work, we're going inside the settings of our Windows device, and here we're looking for the system settings. From there we go to the sound setting, and inside the sound settings we're going to the input settings right here. Now the same as in the other settings, make sure that the blue snowball, your primary microphone, is set to the primary device so that it is selected. If your device isn't here, simply add it and use the cues given by Windows. Make sure that the volume of here is also set to the maximum amount available. Now what you could also do is troubleshoot your devices. As you can see here, it's starting to detect problems. Now here my blue snowball currently doesn't have a jack because I'm using a USB cable. You could also further it, and as you can see there aren't identifying issues. Now what you could also do is go to the more sound settings, and this will open up the devices. Now here you go to the recording tab, and inside the recording tab you can see that my blue snowball is active. Now sometimes it occurs that it is disabled. Now what you could do is go into the properties, go to advanced, and here check which default format is used. Now simply check it to the DVD quality and make sure that this is the default playback device, and that you go to general, and in the device usage use this device so that it is enabled, and it's very important. What you could also try, if none of these methods work, go to properties, and from there go to the driver, and what you could also do is go into the other stuff, so delete all this, go to device manager right here, so look it up into your search bar, right click the blue snowball, head to properties, go to driver, and update the driver by searching automatically for it. As you can see, mine are up to date, and if nothing works you can simply uninstall the device right here, and from there the device will be uninstalled from your system. But if you restart your PC or laptop, it will be automatically installed again in your device. and therefore all the hidden errors will be gone. Now, if you still run into issues or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, that helped me out a lot, and thanks for watching.